Hello, yes, good morning, everybody. So this is the first day of the week. This is Monday, and first of all, we'll start with the strength meter. I want to see the strongest currencies for the day. So far, we have GBP as the strongest, and the second strongest is JPY, and then we have the weakest, which is NZD. Then the most weakest is CAD. So if you're to trade today, just ensure you're trading a combination of GBP and NZD, or GBP and CAD, or JPY and NZD, or JPY and CAD. So that's the best. That's the combination where we have the strength. The price will likely move massively where there's that strength, or where there's no strength at all. So that is according to the strength meter, and based on the trend so far. Today we only have EuroCAD. We have EuroCAD showing us a very good uptrend. As you can see, we have a very good trend on the 1 hour. We also have a very good trend on the 4 hours. And then we have a good trend on the 15 minutes, then on the 5 minutes. Euro NZD, we also have a very good uptrend. The GBP we have a very good uptrend. Then GBP AUD, we have a very good uptrend. AUD JPY, we have a very good downtrend. AUD CHF, we have a very good downtrend. And then NZD USD, we have a very good downtrend. NZD JPY, a very good downtrend. And NZD CHF, we have a very good downtrend. Then we have USD CAD, where we have a very good uptrend. So if you are to trade today, just ensure you're trading on the pairs where we have a very good trend. If there's a pair which I've looked at which has a very good trend, be sure to look at it. Be sure to look at it. So we'll move. Let's now move forward to the next symbol. We will now look at individual symbols. We'll start with SP500. So SP500 so far it closed as a bearish pin bar, and the price gapped below the Friday's lowest low, which is below this level here. So we do expect price to proceed much lower. So simply expect a continuation up to this point here. Expect price to continue up to this level here. This will be a very good sell. So we are still sellers even as we're speaking now. Expect price to proceed massively to the lower side. So it may continue up to this point, or it may continue much lower up to even this low. So this is the biggest retracement so far. The history of SP500, this is the biggest pullback that we are currently seeing. So expect it to take price up to this point, up to this level here, 1353.3. Expect price to proceed lower up to this point, 1353.3. So we move forward to the next symbol, GBP/USD. So far, GBP/USD has been downwards. The price basically went below a very good level. If you draw your lines the way I'm going to draw them now, you'll be able to see whatever I'm saying. We do have a support there. We also do have a support there. So this is a very good support. A support, there's a break below. So you expect price to pull back up to this point, 1.2155. You expect price to go up to this point here, retrace back, that you're able to pick a sell. And the price gets sold, this should be the correct price to sell it from. So if you have to trade it now, have your pending sell limit, then your stop loss needs to be above the previous week's highest high. So sell it, your stop loss, and then your take profit needs to be fixed on the monthly. So let's say we are yet to determine that. We are going to see to find a very good place where we are going to place a stop loss. I mean take profit in the future, not now. The next symbol, USD/JPY. So USD/JPY went upwards. The price basically moved massively to the upper side. But we have a level here where the price went above, which is very significant. This level here, the price closed above, it pulled back. As we're speaking now, the price has actually come back up to the same price. So this should give us a good place to look for a buy from. If you have to trade this, pick a buy up to 114.12. We expect price to continue upwards up to this resistance here. So the next symbol is Euro USD. So here is this offer, this is bearish, the price went below a significant level. This one, this was support, was a break below. So just expect a pullback up to this point so that you can pick a sell up to this support here. So the correct best sell form is actually 1.0818. Expect price to pull back up to that point where you pick a sell up to the level which I've mentioned, this on 1.0421. So move forward, let's move forward to our next symbol. We're going to move to gold. This is gold. So gold also is bearish, but then overall this is just a pullback. The move which we saw for the past 3 weeks, this was a dark cloud followed by another move to the last side. So speaking now, we're yet to see good move to the last side. So this could be a sign that we are heading to the last side. Whatever we are seeing now would be a very good sign that we're heading to the last side. We do have a level here, a very good support here. So a resistance, a break above, a support, there's a break below. So the price needs to pull back up to this zone here so that we can pick a sell up to this level. This is a very good level where if the price actually gets to, so simply wait for a retracement up to this point so that we pick a sell up to this point. So wait for retracement, we pick a sell up to 1377.67, 1347.54. So the last symbol, WTI, oil. Oil, as we said last week, this is a sell. So basically expect price to sell off as it is now. This gives us the correct opportunity to continue looking for a sell. So if you look at this chart now, you better continue looking for sell orders. So wait for price to pull back, let it give you clear sell signals. Then you pick that sell when it gives you that sell. When the sell comes up, you sell it. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of today's webinar. If you have any questions, kindly feel free to post them in the chat option. But as I said, this is a sell. Brent oil is a sell. This is a very good sell. Expect a continuation to the last side. So as long as you have this gap here not being filled, this is still a sell. So the price needs to fill this gap first before you can foresee a clear move to the last side. But as it is now, we are likely to continue even lower. So thank you very much. We meet again tomorrow at the same time. See you. Bye.